The celebration of Black history and experience is recognized globally. In St. Lucia, the UE Global Campus St. Lucia Library and Tropical eBooks partnered to test students' knowledge of inspiring stories and historical events highlighted in the What Every Black Child Should Know book. The goal is to motivate students to excel.
For me, and also for WEBCSK, is to sensitize children to understand that there are people like us who have excelled. Some of them from very humble beginnings, and people figure that, it's only one set of people who can excel, okay? And show them where you had simple people who got themselves well educated and moved on in life. Some of them are big business people, some of them are inventors, so you have a whole mix of people of color in the book.
The quiz follows a reading project by UE librarian Daisy St. Rose. Leslie Crane Mitchell, head of UE Global Campus St. Lucia, says the contest allowed secondary school students to participate in a celebration of literature and critical thinking.
It is a collaboration that has continued to bear fruit and which this year has evolved into the LEVE What Every Black Child Should Know quiz, a fun, interactive activity allowing students to showcase their knowledge, problem-solving skills, and teamwork while celebrating remarkable Black men and women from around the world, including 8 prominent St. Lucians. Today's event is our humble contribution to and fitting celebration of Black History and Heritage Month. It is a learning exercise that we believe will be truly inspiring for all of the young persons participating.
Leon Hess Comprehensive Secondary School was among the schools that participated in the What Every Black Child Should Know quiz.
I'm very thankful for the opportunity I was given to show myself and showcase the talent that each of us as students have. I commend everybody who was here today, and I commend all of my fellow contestants. I just wanted to say that y'all were good, and y'all got us on a chokehold. So please commend yourselves. Give yourself like a pat on the back. And I'd also like to give applause to all of us, because we did great. So as I conclude, I want to leave a message that resides with each and every single person. Education is the key to the world.
I really think that the opportunity that we were given was amazing, and something that I really want to stress on is the fact that it's good to know about our heritage and the fact that our history is so cultural and so diverse. So even though the competition is over, I really want all of us to go and check out the book, because the information that I got from there was really amazing. And I also wanted to say thank you to everyone who came to support the function and the quiz.
The What Every Black Child Should Know publication features short biographies of notable Black men and women worldwide. It also features 8 prominent St. Lucians. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.